There comes a time in life when silence becomes a friend, and the smallest things bring the greatest joy. A breeze through an open window, a mirror reflecting not just a face, but a history, and the quiet realization that change doesn't require loud declarations, begins with a whisper of intention. After the age of 60, something profound awakens within. It's not about turning back time, but embracing time wisely. It's not about hiding lines, but understanding their stories. Each mark is earned, each gesture carries weight. But even with all that wisdom, there is a silent wish, a desire to feel more alive, more radiant, more in control. In these hands lies the power to restore, not through miracles, not through magic, but through knowing what nourishes and what depletes, what renews and what dulls. Let's go on a quiet exploration, not of products or promises, but of what already exists around us. And within us, many of us have been led to believe that care is complex, that beauty and confidence must come in luxurious packaging. But the truth has always been simpler. It lies in daily rituals, small, consistent choices, and ingredients we've had in our homes for generations. Your skin remembers, your body listens, and when treated with gentle intention, it responds. It isn't about layers of cosmetics, it's about uncovering what's underneath and allowing the natural glow to return. Restoration is not a one-time act. It's a rhythm, like the rhythm of breath, like the passing of seasons, like the rising of hope when we least expect it. Confidence is not a costume, it isn't a performance. It's the feeling of being at home in your own skin. It's the posture of someone who has nothing to prove, only something to share. Confidence grows from self-respect, and self-respect starts in the way we speak to ourselves. Every time you choose to care, to nurture, to pause, to breathe, you're reminding yourself, I still matter, I still shine. This isn't about youth, it's about presence, and presence begins where doubt ends. We've spent so many years judging our reflections, but what if, just once, you stood in front of the mirror and saw kindness, not flaws, not fixes, just stories, just strength. There's a glow that cannot be manufactured, it comes from alignment. When who you are matches how you feel, that's the glow you deserve to wake up with every single morning. Before commercial creams and serums, there were simple solutions, things found in every home, every pantry, not synthetic, not manufactured, but potent, gentle, time-tested. Their single quote's a reason why generations before us leaned on nature, because nature knows balance. It doesn't take, it gives, in the most respectful way. When you return to what's real, your body responds in kind. Your skin softens, your confidence strengthens, your spirit remembers. Rituals anchor us. They calm the nervous system. They remind us we are worth the time. You don't need an expensive spa. You need time. You need consistency. You need belief. Every time you care for yourself, you teach others how to treat you. And more importantly, you teach yourself that healing is possible. Science now proves what intuition already knew. Your skin remembers care. It regenerates. It heals, it absorbs nourishment, both from within and without. Glow is not just light on the surface, it's energy, it's circulation, it's oxygen, it's cellular happiness. And yes, it can return, no matter your age. Narrator, soft, reflective tone. There's energy that runs deeper than muscles or bones. It pulses quietly beneath the skin, guided by thought, intention, and rhythm. This energy is not lost with time. It simply waits for attention. It asks to be stirred, to be acknowledged, to be moved. And when it flows, everything glows. Skin flushes with warmth. Eyes sharpen with presence. Movements grow deliberate and powerful. True vitality doesn't shout. It hums. It radiates gently. It nourishes. Not just your body, but those who witness you. As the seasons change, so do we. And just like the earth resets each night, we too have the power to reset from within. Not with pills, not with pressure, but with quiet rituals of renewal. The way you end your day matters. Your final thoughts, the final words you say to yourself, the care you show your body before sleep. It all tells your system you are safe to heal. You are worthy to rest. These final minutes before rest can transform your chemistry, lower stress hormones, stimulate regeneration, allow you to wake up feeling refreshed and radiant. The breath so simple, so constant ease, the most overlooked tool of rejuvenation. Deep, rhythmic breathing does more than calm the mind. It oxygenates the blood, feeds the skin, revives every cell. Even more, it reconnects you to presence. Because when you breathe with awareness, you remind yourself that you're alive, not just surviving, but thriving. What if beauty was never about symmetry or smoothness? What if it was always about kindness in your eyes, softness in your gestures, joy in your presence? What if it had nothing to do with others' opinions and everything to do with how your soul rests in your body? You don't need permission to glow. You don't need validation to feel beautiful. You only need to look at yourself with the same tenderness you have offered others your entire life. Your space shapes your spirit. It either uplifts you or it drains you. Design a space not big or fancy, but sacred. A place where you can close the door and hear yourself again, whether it's for 10 minutes a day or just one morning a week. Give yourself space that says, "This is for me, and I deserve it." Glow is not about what's on your skin, it's about what moves beneath it. Blood flow brings nutrients. It lifts dullness. It repairs damage. It tones. It firms. It awakens. Stimulation through touch, through mindful motion is one of the most powerful and natural ways to restore radiance. Think of it as reawakening what was never gone, just asleep. Renewal requires space. You cannot glow if you're clinging to clutter in your home, your habits, or your thoughts. Remove what no longer serves, that drying cream, that harsh scrub, that self-criticism. Release them. You've outgrown them. You don't need more. You need better. You need cleaner. You need truer. And sometimes you need less. Scent travels faster than thought. It enters the brain directly, altering mood, memory, and body chemistry. Choose scents that calm, scents that uplift, scents that return you to yourself. Lavender, lemon, rose, eucalyptus, simple, gentle, timeless. The right scent can do what 100 words cannot, can make you feel whole again. Touch is medicine. It releases oxytocin. It lowers cortisol. It speaks louder than words. Even self-touch, when done with intention, heals. Use your fingertips. Move with purpose. Breathe with rhythm. This is not vanity. This is restoration. This is love made physical. What you put on your skin matters, but what you put in your body matters even more. Your skin is not separate from your health. It's a reflection of it. Nourishment is an inside job. Hydration, vitamins, antioxidants, they build the foundation of radiance. When your body receives what it needs, your skin shows it. Your eyes shine with clarity. Your cheeks flush with natural warmth. Your energy unmistakable. The glow isn't just surface-level. It's biological joy. In a world of noise, stillness is power. It clears the mind. It renews the body. It calms the heart. You don't have to do more, sometimes. You just have to stop, to breathe, to listen, to be. When the body is still, the soul speaks, and in that quiet voice, you may rediscover yourself again. Light is not just for vision, it feeds your biology. Early light balances hormones, improves mood, regulates sleep, and enhances radiance. There is wisdom in the timing, exposing your body to morning light signals, healing, signals restoration, signals alignment, let nature light you up from the inside. Let the rhythms of time reset your glow. What you say to yourself becomes your chemistry. If you say you are tired, your body listens. If you say you are beautiful, your cells awaken. Words are not just emotional, they are biological. They shape your hormones, your nervous system, your skin. So say what you need to hear. Say what you needed to hear years ago. Say it now, because your body is listening. True cleansing doesn't strip, it restores. The world has confused harshness with effectiveness, but your skin thrives on harmony. Think gentle, think balanced, think kind. Cleansing should awaken, not attack. It should leave your skin singing, not stinging. A clean face is not a bare face. It is a face ready to receive light. Dehydration doesn't knock. It sneaks in silently with dull skin, dry lips, a heavy spirit, but water. Water is forgiveness. Water is rebirth. Every cell in your body depends on it. And when you give your body enough, asterisk, 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 it rewards you with softness, clarity, and that unmistakable inner glow, inside and out. Water is life. Movement isn't just for fitness, it's for flow, it's for circulation, it's for renewal. You don't need intensity, you need consistency. Gentle movements increase blood flow to the skin. They awaken sluggish systems. They shift your chemistry from stagnant to alive. When you move with mindfulness, you become your own healer. Somewhere along the way, we forgot to enjoy the journey of care. We turned routines into obligations. But joy changes results. When you love the process, the outcome amplifies. Let the scents, the textures, the time with yourself become sacred. This isn't just skincare, this is care. Glow isn't just visual, it's energetic. When you take care of yourself, you elevate those around you. Your peace becomes an invitation. Your radiance becomes a reminder. Your confidence becomes contagious. And the most beautiful part, you didn't need to try. You simply showed your full, cared-for self. What if aging isn't loss, but alchemy? A transformation of raw life into refined wisdom. A shedding of what no longer matters, and a celebration of what truly does. Aging isn't dimming, it's concentrating. It's fire turning wood into gold. The glow you seek now, it's not from without, it's from within. It's earned, it's waiting to be seen. We live by rituals, even if we don't realize it. The way you begin your day, the moment you take to yourself, the breath, Before sleep, these rituals don't just organize time, they organize you. They remind your nervous system that you are safe, that you are grounded, that you are worth showing up for. The skin isn't asking to be punished, it's asking to be understood. Gentle is not weak. Gentle is wise. Gentle care speaks the language of aging. Skin not with force, but with permission. Permission to let go, to reset, to return to softness. Every cell responds better to kindness. You've seen it your whole life. Flawless skin, youth as currency. But there's another. Beauty that doesn't fit in ads. It shows in the laugh lines, in the calm, in the posture of someone who is done performing that beauty. It's yours, and no one can sell it, because you've already lived it. Sometimes, the most powerful treatment is stillness. Stillness allows your body to catch up with your spirit. It slows the pulse. It relaxes. The jaw unknots the worry lines. Stress accelerates aging. Stillness reverses it. You don't need 1,000 steps. Sometimes, you just need 5 deep breaths in, a place to be still. There is rhythm in nature, cycles of rest and bloom, of slowness and movement, of silence and song. When your care routine mirrors nature, it becomes more powerful. Scrub, gently like rain washing away dust. Cleanse like a stream over smooth stones. Hydrate like early dew on morning leaves. When your hands move in rhythm with life, they restore more than skin. They restore balance. The glow you remember from your youth was never just about smoothness. It was about peace, about presence, about freedom from comparison. You can reclaim that glow not by undoing the years, but by reclaiming yourself. The peace of not being in a hurry, the joy of living as you are, the strength of a well-lived life reflected on your face. True care requires time, not because your body is slow, but because the results worth having cannot be rushed. Patience is the secret ingredient. No bottle can contain. Let the mask sit. Let the oils absorb. Let your system adjust. You're not just applying a treatment, teaching yourself that you are worth the wait. Breath clears more than lungs. It clears thoughts. It clears tension from the face, tension from the shoulders, tension from the heart. Glow isn't just a skin. Matter, its circulation, its oxygen, its light carried. Through blood, 3 deep breaths, before you begin your routine, and you've already begun to change your chemistry. It's not the one big effort that transforms you. It's the small act. Done daily, done with presence, done with care. Routine is how the body learns to expect good things. Routine is how healing becomes a habit. It is how glow becomes permanent. Don't wait for a special occasion. Treat today as worthy, because you are.